Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Now in a world where convenience is king, peer-to-peer car sharing has changed how people rent cars. And Getaround is one of the platforms leading that shift. With just a few taps on your phone, you can unlock a car, drive it, and return it, all without going to a rental office or meeting the owner. But in 2025, the platform looks a little different than before. It's no longer available in the US, but continues to operate across much of Europe. So today, we'll break down how Getaround works, what it does well, and where it falls short, so you know if it's the right move for your next drive. Let's go ahead with the video. Now first, let me explain how it works. To get started with Getaround, you'll need to sign up through the app or website and verify your identity. Now that includes uploading your driver's license and sometimes completing a background check, depending on the country. Now it's all part of their safety system to ensure only eligible and responsible drivers use the platform. And once you're in, you can browse for nearby cars using GPS or location filters. You can sort by vehicle type, price, features, and availability. Now, whether you need a small hatchback or a van for moving day, there's usually something that fits the bill. And after finding the right car, just select your rental window, hourly or daily, and then book. The platform provides clear pricing, availability, and rental terms. Some cars are instant book, others may need owner approval. And many cars are equipped with Get Around Connect, a device that lets you unlock the car with your phone. And that means no keys, no waiting, and no awkward handoffs. The keys are usually inside and you're ready to go. And when you're done, you return the car to the same spot or a designated parking area, lock it up using the app, and leave the keys inside. You may need to upload photos or complete a short checklist to confirm the return condition. Now that you know how it works, let's go ahead and review the pros of using Getaround. Now, one of Getaround's biggest selling points is the completely contactless experience. With the Connect feature, there's no need to meet anyone. You unlock the car with your phone, grab the keys inside, and drive. It's faster than traditional rentals and perfect for spontaneous or last minute trips. You can book, drive, and return a car entirely through the app. For digital natives, that level of freedom is hard to beat. It's modern car sharing done right. Now, Getaround gives you the freedom to rent by the hour or by the day, which is great if you only need a car for a short errand or quick trip. You're not locked into full day prices like with traditional rental companies. Now, this flexibility saves money and makes the platform useful for everything from grocery runs to weekend getaways. There are no long paperwork processes either. Just book and go. For city living, that flexibility can really come in handy. It's about matching your schedule and not forcing theirs. Now, all rentals on Getaround come with built-in insurance coverage, so you're not driving without protection. Now, this includes liability coverage and sometimes collision or theft, depending on the plan and region. Now, while the deductible can vary, knowing you're covered brings peace of mind, especially in unfamiliar areas. It's a big plus over informal car borrowing or deals without any legal protection. You also have an in-app access to roadside assistance and support. Now for peace of mind, this makes a big difference. Now whether you need a compact car, SUV, or even a van, Getaround's marketplace usually has a wide variety to choose from. Many vehicles are available in residential areas, so you don't have to travel far to pick one up. Now in dense urban centers, this makes car access way more convenient. You get to choose what fits your needs and budget without relying on limited options at a rental desk. Now it feels more like borrowing from your neighbor than renting from a company. That hyperlocal availability is a game changer. Now Getaround does sound very amazing, but let's not forget about the cons. Let's go ahead and take a look. Now as of early 2025, Getaround has shut down operations in the US, which limits its usefulness if you're based there. It's still active in parts of Europe, including the UK, France, and Germany, but American users are out of luck. This is a huge downside for anyone who used it regularly in the States or was planning to. Now, while the platform still thrives in cities like London and Paris, its absence in the US removes it from many people's radar. You'll need an alternative if you're in North America. Now, that's a major shift. Now, because Getaround relies on privately owned cars, the cleanliness and condition can vary. Some renters have reported poorly maintained interiors or mechanical issues. Now, while reviews and ratings help, there's still a risk of picking a car that's not up to par. Traditional rental companies usually guarantee a higher standard. Now, if you're picky about your ride or need it to look sharp for a meeting, this inconsistency might be frustrating. It's peer to peer, so results may vary. Now, support is available through the app, but response times can be slow, especially in urgent situations. Some users have struggled to get help with last minute cancellations, lockouts, or billing issues. Without a 24/7 call center or instant support, it can feel isolating when things go wrong. The app does have help resources, but real time assistance isn't guaranteed. Now, in critical situations, this lag can turn a minor issue into a major headache. It's not ideal if you're relying on the platform for something important. Now, returning the car to a legal, safe parking space can be harder than it sounds, especially in crowded cities. If the spot isn't clearly marked, you might end up circling the block or risking a ticket. It's not always obvious where the car should go, and that adds stress at the end of your trip. Some cities are better than others, but overall, it's less structured than a rental lot. For newcomers to the app, that final step can be confusing. You don't want a great rental to end in frustration. So is Get Around worth using in 2025? Well, if you're in Europe and looking for an on demand flexible rental option, it's still a solid choice, especially if you value a contactless experience. But if you're in the US, it's time to look for other options, since the platform is no longer operating stateside. Ultimately, Getaround makes car sharing easy, but like any tech platform, it comes with trade offs. So just weigh the convenience against the quirks, and you'll know if it fits your travel needs. And there you go. I hope you have found this video helpful. See you guys next time.